Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to host a simple website and most likely for free. If you come out to aws.amazon.com/free, you will find the free tier. There's lots of services that you can get that are either free for the first 12 months, free up to certain limits, or some are even free forever. For S3, you will see right here, you will get 5 gigs of standard storage free for the first 12 months. I have already created a video for how to create AWS free account. I will add the video card on the top right corner of this video. Okay, let me show you how to do this. I'm going to sign into my AWS account. Okay, coming back to the console, I will navigate to S3. We'll start by creating a bucket. So once you click on create bucket, type in the domain name that you registered as bucket name. My domain is netdukes.online, and this does need to be globally unique. For this to work, make sure you use the same name as a domain name you registered. For the region, you can select a region that is closest to where you live. In my case, I am going to select Sydney AP Southern East 2 region. Scroll down to the bottom and uncheck this block all public access. This to make sure that the user will have access to your bucket, and make sure it's publicly accessible to others on the internet. When unchecked, there's a acknowledgement will appear. Check that box too. Keep all other settings as default. Once the bucket has been created, you will see there's netdukes.online as a bucket. Now let's go to take a look at some HTML. I have created a super simple index.html page already. Click into your own bucket and select upload. So I'm going to upload the contents of my website, which is this index.html file, also image file. Select upload. And the page has been uploaded. After uploading, here's a couple of things we are going to need to update. First, under properties, scroll all the way down the very end of the page. Here we have static web hosting. You can see by default it disabled, but what we are going to do is enable it. Let's edit that and enable it. This will be to host a static website, and then the index document, we are going to go with index.html. we'll leave everything else blank and click save changes. The next thing you want to do is on permissions. We need to edit a bucket policy. Click edit and just paste that. I will leave the bucket policy in the description section. You will need to update the bucket name, which is going to be this one right here. So this policy is only a template. You will need to provide your own bucket name in order for this policy to work. Click save changes. So once we go into this website, if you click the open button, we should get our website now hosted on Amazon S3. But as you can see here in the URL, it's not your custom URL. This is an Amazon provided URL. So what we have to do is now is redirect netdukes.online to this bucket S3. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to redirect netdukes.online domain to this S3 bucket. If you found this helpful, I would really appreciate you hitting that like button so it can spread to more people, and also consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.